Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to activate notes on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, what you wanna do is to check if your phone's version of Instagram is the most updated version. So to do that, just check your app store and then go to Instagram's page. And if the blue button contains update, click on that and your app shall be updated. But if it states open as what I have now, it means that my app is up to date. Once you're done with that, go to Instagram and to check if you have already activated the notes feature, click the paper airplane icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then just above your profile icon, you will see notes. That means that you already have this Instagram feature. And that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!